Hello, I'm Diana. Welcome to my channel. Today I make the perfect original popcorn. Here is the theory behind popcorn popping. The corn kernels curtain water. So when a popcorn kernel is heated to a temperature above 180 degrees Celsius, the water inside turns into steam. The corn kernel's pericarp, which is its outermost layer, cannot bear all the pressure that is suddenly building inside, and so it pops. Now let's get started. Start by preheating 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, about 30 grams, with no heat. You can use any kind of high smoke point oil, but the start heat will be a little different. For example, when using sunflower oil, you can add corn kernels directly to the oil, then turn up the heat to medium high, while when using coconut oil, as it is solid, we need to melt it with no heat first. Once it melts, add a half cup of corn kernels, about 100 grams, then shake the wok or frying pan, coating the corn kernels in the coconut oil evenly. Cover with a lid and turn up the heat to between medium and high heat. When the first kernels pop, turn the heat to medium, shake the pan regularly during the process, and let the corn kernels heat evenly. If you don't have a suitable lid, just cover with aluminum foil and poke some holes on it with scissors. To make the perfect popcorn, I will share some tips. Tip 1. The oil quantity. Popcorn with too much oil is not good for your health, but we cannot make large-sized popcorn if there isn't enough oil. Using the same method with 100 grams of kernels. On the left, I added 1.5 tablespoons of oil, while on the right, I used the same type of oil but with 3 tablespoons. Corn kernels can pop even without much oil, but using more oil makes them bigger. Tip 2. Try not to open the lid or cover during the process, as we need to maintain a suitable pressure inside to pop all the kernels. Tip 3. Avoid overburning the corn. Using medium-high heat or holding the pan 10 centimeters above the fire for a few seconds if the temperature is too high. If you use a thickly bottom pan, after the first corn kernels pop, you can turn off the heat for 30 seconds, then turn it on medium heat. However, if you use a wok with thin bottom like me, you don't need to, because turning off the heat will decrease the heat very quickly. This will make it challenging to adjust the heat again, and thus affect the corn kernels to pop smaller or not pop altogether. If we understand the theory behind the popping process, it becomes easy to get the perfect popcorn, even in your own home. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.